wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So testing out NYMA'S collab a week or so ago is what inspired today's video. As you can see by the title, today I am telling you my top brown lip liners for deeper complexion. So if you want to see that, then let's go. So the first one I have is from BEAUTYLip Cosmetics. You already knew this was going to be in this video. This is their Triple Fudge Brownie. It swatches like that. Ooh. Come on. And it looks like this on the lips. I forgot a mirror. So that is what it looks like actually lining the lips, and then for all of them, I'm just going to throw a gloss over it. Now, yes, it is a lipstick that I'm using as liner, but you know, sometimes you just like liquid lipstick better as a lip liner than you do actual lip liner. The only other lipstick that I have that I would recommend as a lip liner is the one from NYMA'S collection. It is Light to See It. This has kind of replaced Chocolate Wasted for me as a lip liner. Let me go ahead and take this off first. So it swatches like this. You see that difference in how deep it is? And it looks like this. Let it dry down, and then it's really, really matte, and then apply a lip color on top. And just like that, you're ready to go with this one. This is the HUDA Lip Contour in Rich Brown. Swatches like that. And looks like this on. Now this is a little more creamy, and like again, that's the difference with using some lip liners, some, you know, because there are some that have more matte finish. Some lip liners and some liquid lipsticks, like that NYMA liquid, it's a matte liquid lipstick, and once you put it down, like, you know, it's really not going anywhere. You're going to have to scrub it off, which is why I also didn't want to leave it on for that long. But this one looks like and then fill it in. Especially with the lip gloss color chosen, like you see how this is more subtle of a lip liner thing. Actually, these two colors really go nicely together. Like, wait a minute. But this is more subtle of a lip liner, lip gloss stick combination. The Huda and the BEAUTYLip lip gloss, you know, they're lighter browns, but still enough for someone like me who has darker lips where they're still going to do something on my lips. But this one right here, this lip liner from NYMA'S collection called Chocolate Chip, swatches like this. And then, ooh, looks like this on. This is what you wear when you want your lip liner to be the main star of the show. This is giving very 90s, where they were using straight up black to line their lips. That's what this one gives. And then when you fill it in,
Like, you see what she's giving? This is what I break out when I want to feel like Toni Braxton, okay? I do have a fifth one. I'm just gonna have to pop up the picture here because I cannot find it. I literally tore up my entire filming setup area looking for this product. I can't find it, but it is from Melt Cosmetics. It's a liquid lipstick, and that color is giving pretty much this lip liner one. So if you do like, you know, using lip stick as a lip liner and you want this color in a liquid lipstick, the Ebony shade from Melt Cosmetics Nudes collection is the one for you. Highly recommend it. It's dark. Okay, I of course I can find every other color from the collection except for the one I'm looking for. This is what it looks like, just, you know, a darker brown, but this one is Chestnut, and Chestnut looks like this. So imagine Ebony. Ooh. Imagine Ebony, and it's just a much deeper type of brown than that one. Like I said, dries matte. Now I wish I had found it so I could see how it looks compared to NYMA'S, but I'm pretty sure NYMA'S is even deeper. If not the same. They're not the same shades. NYMA'S might be a little bit deeper, but actually looking at it, they might be the same. Just, you know, one is lip liner, one is lipstick, but highly recommend that as a liquid matte for deeper complexions, even, you know, deeper. It might not be like this type of deep on you, but it'll still be deep enough that it shows up. So those are my top 5 lip liners. I switch them up every now and then because, like I said, sometimes I want a more visible lip liner and sometimes I just want it to blend in. But best believe if I am doing my makeup, I'm wearing a lip product, I'm going to wear a lip liner. Even if it's not because of the whole, like, the product, you know, it's going to look off on my face, stuff like that. I'm just at a point where I can't do a lip look without using lip liner. So those are my top 5. Let us know if you have any more browns you would recommend in the comments down below. And yeah, that is it for this video. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.